Hi guys. I'm going to be trying out snacks I got in Paris, and I'm going to be rating them over 10. So I got this from OD store, and actually saw in Nigeria, and she was really nice to me. And if you're seeing this video, thank you. So where to start? First one is this. I love Italy Milano Barci. Yes. Well, how do I open this? This is a very chaotic video, and I don't know. Just probably take it as it is. Let's try this out. So this is how it looks like from the inside. Okay, so I'll give this a 7. Sorry, an 8. I mean, the second snack I'll be trying is this is potato chips El Dorada kettle style. So I'll give this a 6. The third one is this. I'll give this a 9. And the fourth one is this. I'll give it a 4. So we're going to be trying out this. Doesn't even set nice. Look at what it looks like. It has onions. It roast fun now, but they say blue.
It smells nice now.
I have time for your mouth. Told you.
Good.
Oh, this thing don't change my taste buds.
Just resemble what I don't like. Don't worry.
Tuska literally had to go and wash his mouth. So let's try this out.
This one, that one. Which one is better?
Honestly, that one is better. We just try it, but I prefer the other one. I give this an 8. So the next time you're in Paris, this is my recommendation.
It's not too sweet. It's just